How to fix Facebook Messenger not showing messages. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, is your Messenger not showing any messages? Then it must be some issues in the Messenger app itself. Now, to fix it, you need to go to your phone settings and go ahead and tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Then scroll down until you find Messenger. So once you find it, tap on it, and here you'll be able to see Offload app. So when you offload app, the messenger will be deleted. However, the data won't be deleted. So this just refreshes your app and make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. So which helps in fixing the error. So after offloading the app, you'll have to go to the app store and then reinstall the app again. So, however, after offloading the app and reinstalling again, it doesn't work, then what you need to do is restart a device. Sometimes a restart can go a long way. Swipe down your notification bar from the right side, and on the top right, you'll see power button. Just tap on it and then restart your device. I'm pretty sure your issues will be solved after that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.